How to create an Instagram broadcast channel. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create a broadcast channel for yourself on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open Instagram application and go to chats. Then after click on the right icon at the top corner. Now here I cannot see the option of creating a broadcast channel for myself. So what you need to do is take a screenshot of this page and then go back. After that, click on your profile icon and click on three lines at the top right corner. Scroll below to search for help and then choose the option of report a problem. Again click on report problem and click on include and continue. After that, here you need to describe your problem that I want to create a broadcast channel of my own but don't have the option and upload the screenshot we took now. And then you can click on send option. Within few days, Instagram will reply to you and fix your problem. So that's all. That is how easily you can create your own Instagram broadcast channel and fix the problem if the option is not appearing. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.